Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can recover your Acorns account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Acorns app. So once you open your Acorns app, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to type in your email address, then hit the continue button. So after doing this, as you have gotten your password and you want to recover your account, will hit on the forgot password option. Tap on the got it option, and then after a matter of seconds you will receive a mail where there will be a link to reset your password. So simply tap on that link, which will then take you to this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is simply type in the last four number of your SSN, then type in a new password. Once you do this, you need to type in the new password and you want to confirm the password again by retyping the password, and once both the passwords are matching, you need to tap on the change password option. So after doing this, your password will be resetted, so you can simply go to the login section again, type in your email address and type in your password and hit the login button. Then a mail will be sent to your email address, so you need to type in the OTP code and then simply hit the confirm button. After doing this, you can successfully recover your Acorns account, as you are now logged in into your account once again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.